We're back again. This is Radio Entrepreneurs. My name is Jeffrey Davis, and our next guest, really quite charming off the mic, so we'll see how he's doing on the mic, Paul Bardaro of Rucci, Bardaro, and Falzone. Welcome, Paul.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us about the firm.
The firm was founded by my partner, Bill Rucci, in 1986. I joined Bill in 1987. At that time, Bill and I had one employee, and she was a secretary who rode her bicycle to work, literally. And today we're about 35 folks, multidisciplinary firm in public accounting, tax planning, family businesses are our mainstay.
And, why did you start the firm in the first place?
Well, Bill Rucci had started it. He and I knew each other going back to our college days. We both kind of took roots in public accounting, but in different directions. I was with a very large international firm. He was with local firm. We both did a stint in industry and decided, though, that we'd be more motivated by the entrepreneurial type business. So when Bill started it, I kind of got wind of it and told him that's something I think I might like to do. So you take all the risk and then let me know how it works out. And 1 year later, I joined him.
And you said your niche, but can you just give us a little bit more around what's the niche for the firm and why is that your niche?
Well, industry-wise, we do have some specialties in the areas of real estate, construction. We do a host of nonprofits, transportation business, wholesale, and distribution, as well as franchises. The motivation Bill and I originally had, having worked, and Bill worked in industry with a very large international company, was that we found ourselves just far more motivated by the spirit of entrepreneurs in family-owned businesses. And so that's what we cater to. And I think that we've found a very strong reputation in that. And within the firm, although I'm a generalist in the areas of auditing and accounting and taxation, I have a specialty niche in the area of valuation of businesses. And I've been doing valuations for about 15 years of the 27 plus years I've been with Bill.
So let's go drive down into your specialty, valuations. Anything different, would you say, 2015 versus, let's skip it, 2013 with valuations, changes going on?
Well, there's certainly, within the discipline of technical valuation, it's one of the youngest professions out there if you compare it to the legal field or the accounting field or the medical professions and so forth. So the technical aspects of valuation are changing constantly. As far as what's going out on the streets, what we are finding is a lot more buyers than sellers. I'm actually being solicited. Just received an email from a person I haven't heard from about 6 years, and saying I represent a family office. Family offices being wealthy folks who have pretty much made their wealth through owning closely held businesses, and they're out there buying. And I'm not talking about private equity or investment bankers representing venture capitalists or anything. These are just people who want to buy and hold businesses, not looking to flip them in a 2 to 3 year period, but a buy and hold strategy. And interestingly, even though even our client base, having been in practice for 27 plus years, is starting to age, it's amazing how people will say, I want to sell, but in reality, when it comes right down to it, for some reason, they don't want to sell. I found it very interesting in the last few years, maybe because the economy is so good, and of course people don't tend to practice the old, sell high, and so they might wait for an inappropriate time to sell.
If someone, Paul, wanted to get hold of you at RB&F, if I can say that, how would they find you?
Well, they can find us on the internet, of course, on our website, and you can just Google in Rucci, and it'll pop up. All you need is the first name, Rucci, Bardaro, Bardaro, and you'll see us pop up. You can call me at 781-321-6065, and we still have live people answering the telephone during business hours, and pretty easy to get in touch with me. And of course, my own email address, paulb@rbfpc.com.